Hello friends, Philately of India of the year 2011. A selection from our collection. Raja Krishna Dev Rai, one of the emperors of Vijayanagar Empire. The stone chariot to Vitthal Mandir at Hampi was built under his reign. The Corps of Signals, an essential wing of armed forces, completed 100 years in the year 2011. This stamp is to commemorate 15th census which was carried out in the year 2011. The first systematic census was carried in the year 1872. 100 years of airmail. An interesting story will unfold now. The first ever official airmail flown by aeroplane took place in India in the year 1911. It was flown by the French pilot Henri Piquet. The aeroplane used was Humber biplane. The plane flew 5 miles from Allahabad to Naini and crossed Yamuna River during the flight. 4 stamps are published to commemorate the centenary. Legendary heroines of Indian cinema shown are Devika Rani, Kanan Devi, Meena Kumari, Nutan, Savitri, Leela Naidu. Second Africa-India Forum Summit. 2 stamps are released. They depict African elephant and Indian elephant. The Trained Nurses Association of India. It was established in the year 1908. The Smile Train Cleft Surgery. A gap in the upper lip is called cleft and is a common birth defect. The Smile Train is a global charity organization working to correct this defect. Indian Post acknowledged this organization by publishing a stamp on the theme. Archaeological Survey of India.
शुभ दिन है हम सबका लहरा लो तिरंगा प्यारा पर मत भूलो सीमा पर वीरों ने है प्राण गंवाए कुछ याद उन्हें भी कर लो कुछ याद उन्हें भी कर लो जो लौट के घर ना आए जो लौट के घर ना आए ऐ मेरे वतन के लोग जरा आँख में भर लो पानी ये शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी.
Kavi Pradeep. Golden Jubilee of Goa Mukti. Goa was under Portuguese reign and was liberated and merged with India in the year 1961. President's Fleet Review, Mumbai. 4 stamps are published. Srinivas Ramanujan, the great mathematician. Thank you for keeping company of Vishwas Joshi. Like, share and subscribe.